Okay, we're given this contour diagram, and what we want to do is use partial derivatives to estimate our g of 3.2, 4.7. So as we do this, we already gathered all this information as far as g of 3.5, which is a point pretty close to 3.2, 4.7, and that equaled 0.6. We got the partial derivatives with respect to x and with respect to y in the very first video that I made in this section. So you can look in the playlist if you didn't see where those came from. But we're going to fill into this formula down below to get our estimation. So our estimation is going to be given by g of xy, and I'm using g because that's the name of our function here, is going to be approximately, now this is going to be g of 3.5 at the beginning, plus the partial derivative with respect to x is going to be 0.125, and then x minus our x value, which in our case is 3, plus 0.1625, it's our partial with respect to y, multiplied by the quantity y minus 5 is going to be our b in this case, right? This was our a, this was our b as we look at this x and y value. All right, so that is a formula that'll help us as we try to get a nice estimate here. Now we just need to fill into that formula, evaluate this at 3.2, comma 4.7. So what that tells us is we're going to go ahead and substitute in 3.2 in for our x. So 3.2 minus 3 plus 0.1625, and then 4.7 gets filled in for our y. And then we're going to do a little bit of simplifying down here. 0.6 plus 0.125, this will be 0.2, plus 0.1625, this will be negative 0.3. Getting our calculators out here, 0.6 plus 0.025, so 0.025, minus 0.04875. As we combine these together, we're going to get approximately 0.57625. So that's the very, very best estimate we can get for exactly what our output value would be when we plug in 3.2, 4.7. Let's take a look at our contour diagram. 3 on our contour diagram was right here where this line is, and 5, of course, is that horizontal line going across there. So if we want to kind of map out where is 3.2 and then 4.7, 3.2, 4.7 is going to be right about here. All right, because we went from 4 to 5, 4.7, closer to 5, obviously. And then this is 3.5 is that next mark along the x-axis. So as you can see on this, we are kind of in between 0.5 and 0.6, and we said our best estimation was 0.57625, which makes sense. It's going to be in between those two contour markings. All right, I hope this helps out. Good luck.